Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing great. As you can tell from the title of the video that this video is about what's in my work bag. So let's quickly start with the video. So earlier I used to carry this huge tote bag to my work, and since this is very spacious, so it could hold everything that I would need in my entire day at work. My laptop, my tiffin, snacks, water bottle, sunglasses, specs, anything that I would need. The only drawback with this bag was that this is a tote bag and you had to carry it on one shoulder, and lately I've been having a lot of shoulder ache and back ache, so which is why I was not very much inclined into using this bag every day, which is why I got myself a new work bag, and I have moved on to the basic model of bags that you would carry to work, which is a backpack. So I got myself a backpack, and it's been like 2 to 3 weeks that I've been using this bag. It's a very comfortable bag. It can hold everything that I would need, and it's just comfortable. If you know, you know. So my commute looks like my husband drops me from my home to a train station, then that's a 1 hour 15 minutes of ride, and then I change a train, take the path, and then go to New York City. That's how I reach work. So in such a complicated travel from my home to the work, a shoulder bag is not something that was very much comfortable, so which is why I got myself a backpack. So the first thing that's coming out of the bag is a bottle. Yes, I carry these plastic bottles because the water here is not very clean, so we drink water from these water bottles. We get these from Costco, and I carry one bottle every day to work. And the water at workplace, they have a water filter, so I get to refill it at work. I know a lot of you will say please buy those reusable water bottles. We have it, but like the water is it's just not clean at home. And we have tried a lot of filters, but still it's not working for us. So anyways, we use these bottles, but we put them into the recycle bin and then we get them recycled, so that's okay, I think. So this bag has a lot of compartments, and I keep my laptop in the last compartment. That's thin and that's perfect for my laptop. So I have my laptop in this bag. I also keep my mouse pad right here. Then moving on to the next pocket, which is this. It has a notebook because I need it, a beanie because it's winters here, my phone and AirPods charging cable, my specs, a mouse, some mints, like that. It's a period cramp roll-on. So in case you guys haven't tried it, you can. I ordered it from Blinkit India. When my sister was here, she got this for me. This is really comforting while you're on your period, so you can try it. And there is one zipper here. So in this compartment there is a zipper, and then there are two more smaller compartments here. In the zipper I have my huge card holder, important documents holder, some cash holder, everything is there in that bracelet. And we move on to the smaller pocket, which is in front. First thing is definitely my iCard, some hand cream because it's very important. Your hands do dry out during winters. A lip balm. Okay, so we had some Christmas event last week at work, so they gave these pens. This is a pen. So I got this and I've kept it in my bag. Next I have a hair tie, which is very important. Sanitizer, again important. Oh, my favorite lipstick by Dior, very important. Blush, just in case you need it. AirPods, very important. Then I have, oh, this is a cuticle oil. Sometimes, you know, how many of you do have those very dry cuticles, the ones that look dry and they just don't look good? So whenever you have that kind of problem, you can just use this cuticle oil. This is from Sally Hansen and I love it. Then I have a pen, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. I have a few panty liners, but that's about it in my work bag. Quick, clean. And remember in my previous what's in my work bag video, I had a bunch of things that I would not need. I had just put it because that was my first week at work and I didn't want to be short of anything. Right now I don't even carry my laptop charger because every desk has it. I don't carry any of the extra things that I would not need it. I don't carry green tea, I don't carry vitamin C sachets, I don't carry any of the snacks because everything is available in the office pantry. So you have like green teas, you have all kinds of coffee, you have any kind of snacks that you would need. There are a couple of pantries on a few floors, so like you get everything at work. I have realized it over time that you don't need to have bunch of stuff in your bag. But this, if in case you guys are looking for a comfortable work bag, you can buy this. This is a really comfortable bag and it can hold anything, and especially in these winters, the tote bags that you have, they don't, most of the tote bags don't have the zipper, and if it's snowing, you can get snow, it can get snow in your inside your bags and damage your things. But this is a fully zipped bag, so none of those issues will happen. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye, take care.